This is how to set the clock on your Citroen Nemo. This is a 2014 model. Should all be the same, very similar. Nemos and partners and stuff like that. We're going to be using the menu button and the headlamp up and down switch, which, as you can see, it's got the up and the down arrows, which when we go into the menu we'll be using to go up and down through the menu. So ignition on, press menu. As you can see, up and down. So we'll go, I'm going up at the moment, and then we go, we've got a date and we've got a time, you see. So press menu, takes you into the time. Mode, that's 12 and 24 hour, as you can see, so we'll stay in 24. Menu in, and then time. Press menu again, and then up and down arrows. Press menu again, moves to the minutes. Press menu again, and that'll set. Then using the up and down arrow again, I'm going to press down, and that goes to the date. Press menu. That's the up arrow. Press menu again. So in February, well, we're in September, we're in October now, there we go. And press menu again, takes you to the day. .19th, press menu again. That's that. Now you can either cycle the ignition, or if you keep going through the up and down, you'll see the exit menu, and that takes you back to the start with the right date, the right time, and it's stopped that annoying flashing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.